In case you are joining us for the very first time, we specialize in narrating of dreams, the meaning of your dreams. We can help you on things to do so that you can always remember your dreams. If you used to forget your dreams, we will tell you the formula to begin to remember your dreams once again, even than ever before. Then, if you don't used to have a dream at all, we will tell you the formulas on how to retrieve your inner eyes. Catching a fish in the dream. Catching a fish in the dreams. Catching a fish in the dreams is a sign of blessing from a man or woman. Climbing a mountain in a dream. Climbing a mountain in a dream. It is a sign of hardship. Then, but if you see yourself successfully where you crossed or climbed over a mountain top, it is a sign of victory. You fetch water in the dream or fetch water in your village streams, or if you fetch water from the well or the tap, it's a sign of blessing. Fountain of water is a sign of blessing. When you fetch firewood in the dreams consequently or so often, it shows a sign of danger, a sign of death. Okay? So in the realm of the spirit, as an Igbo man specifically, nku or firewood is a sign of death. Ask anybody, he will tell you. Whenever you see yourself with red oil, the dream of red oil is going in two ways. One, if you see yourself using red oil to cook, yeah, it's normal. It's normal. Then, but if you're not doing any cooking related things, and suddenly you saw a red oil in the dreams, or a red oil fell down from your hand and brought to the ground, it is a sign of danger. It is a sign of danger. It's a symbol of blood, represents blood in the spiritual realm. When you go so obala, joy obala to le joy awagina, oyana kalogo obala, nona awagi. Then, if you used to see yourself in a dream, eating in the dreams, it is not good. It's a sign of spiritual poison. Yeah, the enemy have tried to poison you physically, but they couldn't. You not really be that sick in the flesh, but it might cause you spiritual sickness, or it might cause you financial sickness. There are so many kinds of sickness. So don't expect yourself eating in the dream to become sick physically. No, you can be sick by wealth. When you do vomit in the dreams, it shows that your spirit, your chi, your personal God, is doing you a total cleansing and detoxification in the spiritual realm, and that will make you to have a healthy life in the dreams. If you see yourself flying in the dreams, it symbolizes two things. One, maybe you have been initiated to an unknown kingdom, so you need to figure yourself out. If you need a deliverance, I can help you. You deliver yourself, not me praying for you. One reason of flying in the dreams is when your enemy is chasing you to attack you, then your God will give you a wing to fly like an angel. Or you see yourself bathing in the stream, in the shower, in anything related to water, bathing in the dreams. A sign of sanctification. So saga bonam law, and we go on n'ime mmehie, but we feel like ya, she saga bonam more. We show that you have been cleansed. If you like our video, please share it to go viral. Chief Prophet Omonezirora, in case Nana Ronatesi, in Korean, one more magazine.